Good morning, everybody. Welcome, and thank you for joining me. Today, my name is Robert Carson, and today we're going to be talking about the competitive threats here at Winn Dixie. Today, we're going to talk about a little bit of the company's history, and we're going to understand the problems that we're facing currently. We're going to discuss a merging proposition and a new business plan, and we're going to try to understand some possible results that might come out of these recommendations. So Winn Dixie was founded in 1925 in Miami, Florida. It's been operated under a lot of different names, such as Winn and Lovett and Piggly Wiggly. It was self-proclaimed the beef people and is well known as that in the southeastern region. We did file for bankruptcy protection in 2005. A lot of that has to do with our competition. It has really put a damper on our business. We used to be one of the largest in the southeastern region, but now there are other supermarkets in the area that are really a competition for us and are kind of bringing some issues to our revenues. We did merge as a subsidiary of Southeastern Grocers after we were bought by Bilo, and in 2013, Southeastern Grocers actually became a foundation for us. And now that Southeastern Grocers owns us, Southeastern Grocers also owns Winn Dixie, Bilo, Harvey's Supermarket, and Fresco y Mas. So our most prominent problem that we have now is our competition. Our competition can range anywhere from Walmart. Walmart is a very large chain international supermarket store. It is less expensive and it does offer more products than we offer as just a supermarket. Grocery stores such as Publix is really known for its customer service, but it is a little bit more expensive than it is known as where we have at Winn Dixie. Aldi is another one of our competitors. They feature mostly generic brands, but they offer them at such a low price that it drives customers to return. We also have competition with the grocery delivery services. Grocery delivery services are keeping people shopping for deals, and they're able to do so from the comfort of their own home, and they don't have to shop around at different stores. They just go online and it's just an ease of access. So we must analyze competition because, as many of you know, we are in a monopolistic competition. A monopolistic competition is a economic structure where there are a large number of different firms, in our case grocery stores, where different grocery stores are free to enter and exit at any time. They do have control over their prices. They have to pay a lot in advertisement and other selling costs to try to get customers to come into their doors. There are a lot of product variations, especially when it comes to generic products, and there's product differentiation. Like I said earlier, Walmart offers more products than we do. Aldi will offer less because it's mostly generic. But that's kind of the free market that we're in this monopolistic competition. But we must analyze the competition to make sure that we stay relevant and gaining that competitive edge, making sure that our grocery store stands out over the others. We need to understand the market trends, making sure that we know why people are shopping, when they're shopping, what they're shopping for, and that also folds into the understanding of the customer's needs. Understanding why customers choose the competition is really going to help us understand what we're doing that may not be up to standards, and it'll also help us understand what we're doing right and what we're doing that is bringing customers into our stores. And finally, it's going to help us provide the quality to our customers. Knowing what the other competition is offering, we can make sure that we are bringing the top quality products and service to our customers. So the benefits of strategic options, where we kind of change up things that we're doing here at Winn Dixie, can really help us gain trust and confidence from our customers. It can help expand our product's name brands. Winn Dixie is well known in the Southeast region, but is it really well known enough that people will go out of their way to shop at Winn Dixie? It can also help us improve our standards, which would increase customer service, increase our revenues, and improve our reputation. That brings us to how can we improve Winn Dixie? Now, these are recommendations that Winn Dixie can take and go with to help improve the revenues, help improve the status quo, help improve Winn Dixie as a whole. So the first recommendation is going to be brand recognition. If we are to merge all 4 chains of Southeastern grocers into one, so all the Winn Dixies, the Bi-Lo's, the Harvey's supermarkets, and the Fresco y Mas, if they all come into one and become Southeastern grocers, we can make sure that we have a recognizable name across all the states in the Southeast. The Southeastern Grocers generic brand is already in circulation and being used in stores such as Winn Dixie. So to have a generic brands that matches the name brand of the store, people would be able to link those two together very well. So that would ensure that the generic goods do become more recognizable. And travelers would understand and trust that we have a single brand name. People who are in Florida and are used to shopping at Southeastern grocers can go up to Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and they'll be familiar with the store layout, the quality and the customer service and the care, and they'll feel comfortable shopping with us. And that trust among the customers really kind of pulls into having a uniformity amongst the stores. The second recommendation that we have is establishing an internal online service. So we're currently using Instacart and Shipt to deliver goods to homes via online services. However, if we were to create our own internal online service, where Winn Dixie employees are the ones who pick out the products, pick out the goods, and deliver the services to our customers, we could break free from the contracting that we have with online marketplaces such as Instacart and Shipt. All that revenue now stays within Southeastern grocers. We can integrate this service into our already established user-friendly app, and we can offer different kinds of services, either a delivery or pickup options. With in-store pickup options, the customer can come into the store and pick up their goods that's already bagged for them, ready to go, or they can choose a delivery for a small fee, again adding to the revenue that Winn Dixie or Southeastern grocers would take as a whole. We would be able to improve our first in, first out rotation of goods by training employees to make sure that those goods are rotating. Make sure that, the milks, all the perishable foods are able to be rotated properly, as opposed to having the online marketplace like Shipt or Instacart employees coming in and just pulling off whatever they want. This would also reduce the waste by having that established first in, first out rotation, and it would reduce in-store theft by having less customers in the store. And it would help customers save time, which in reality is just going to improve the customer satisfaction by providing a friendly service. Customers really don't like having to go out of their way. Customers want instant gratification, so by having our own internal online service, as Winn Dixie or as Southeastern grocers, we can make sure and ensure that we have the best customer service experience, the best service of goods for our customers. Which leads us to results. We create a large chain of create a large chain of identifiable storefronts. That large chain of identifiable storefronts, like I said earlier, is going to allow customers from different areas to know what to expect when they walk into a Southeastern grocer store. It's going to improve our quality of standards, because now every storefront follows the same exact quality and an assurance of goods and services that we expect and that the customers are going to expect, which would improve the services for the customers. And we would have also entered our own market of internal online services. And again, by doing that, we keep the revenue within Winn Dixie or Southeastern Grocers, and in turn doing that, we make sure that our services and our goods are top quality for our customers. Do we have any questions? Thank you all for your time.